Welcome to this episode On the Move with Steve. In our previous video, we got educated on how to get a license to drive a Pragya by a licensed DVLA personnel. Now that you have your license, how do you acquire a Pragya? There are 3 ways to go about this. We are going to explore each so you can decide which one suits you best. So, as you see from my left hand here, this be 2025 registered Pragya. This one too be another Pragya where it be 2021 registered one. So if you be somebody you don't want to enter into the Pragya business, if you have your money, fine. You can go in for the new one, which currently the amount be 46,000, or depending on where you go buy them. Where the old one too, it depends on the year. The year you go buy them. The amount it range from 15,000 to 30,000. That one too, it go depend on the person you go buy them from. So my advice be say, if you get your money and then you don't go in for a brand new one, that'd be cool. You can go in for a brand new one like this, which we buy, you not really keep or you not really long. You can go in for this one. But if you be somebody, you don't have the full money, like I said, like the 46,000 to the 50,000, you can go in for the new old one. It can also work as well. But the issue be say, the old one, because it be old, mostly it comes with a lot of problems. Where say old one also, and koto the ache bebre, because the ache no ebema a lot of problems. Into old to no what to the weni mu kakra. But make sure say if you go buyer, you go in with an expert, a mechanic. I will check your man who say, I didn't be in shape, and son I walk to second hand and why day. Pakoto and son and answer would see can I day ama. There be a wood or dipana would feel one. So this be the two Pragya where they here we don't talk about it, the new one and then the old one. Ain't no credit yami say. Se Pragya juman oh yeah. Now we any year ubenyesika. Ain't obito new one mawa. New one or tomawa. Debiano, the daily sales for the new one no. Ebi mutimi the mark to 100 CD to 120. It depended. They were only depend by the ebeko. Where the old one too can equally give you the money that you want. That one too, it depends. You go full do sales like 70 CD to 80 CD. It depends on the person you get them from. So these be the two. Which one you choose? Are you going in for the new one or you are going in for the old one? So the last thing that we want to talk about is the work and pay system. And then this is how we do it. So with the work and pay, we go buy the Pragya give you. And I say, you better Pragya brand new at the amount. And then currently, the price of the Pragya is 46,000 Ghana cedis. And then we go double the price give you. So we double the price of the Pragya give you. Now, you know what I said, then at Nancy. Who are Uber driving? You know why then at Nancy. You know what agreement. And you know, assuming the 46,000, you will double one. So you the Bema like 80,000. So with the 80,000, we expect within 1.5 years. I was with me then. It's your area. Into the Abba say. You know, message and BBA or paper so. We will go court and we will go agree on the terms near the motor now then amount. So this motor is new. It's a 2025 model. And then if you want to use this one as a work and pay, or you come in, but open we use to win for work and pay. Yeah, the amount. Me and what na say aqua agreement to and then it's like pay 80,000 within 1.5 years. And then within the 1.5 year, no, you can be able to pay it because we will just go in for the agreement and then state say every week biano obewa betua 1,500 ama una no. With the 1,500 no, we expect say within 1.5 year no ubetua sikana yedi atoso no for the new Pragya no. And then could you believe a lot of people are doing the work and pay? Those who don't have enough money to purchase the brand new one, they are doing the work and pay. Because you see, when you are able to fulfill all the requirements in the deal, after the 1.5 year, the Pragya becomes yours. Ain't you know, who ye bibiana, said the mechanic and get done motor near the amount. But along the way, no, who breach even one of the rules na na say when e dey amount wo dey onimu na, meaning ona no betinya e den age the Pragya because one the way ni so. And you know, with the work and pay system no, and also a very good way I obet me there then acquire Pragya I be ye wa there. Say we serious now obet me the so nko ande a obet no so ye other way a obet me enya Pragya. So now that you know about the system of acquiring the Pragya, which one will you go for? Will you go in for the second hand, the brand new, or you adopt the work and pay system? You can decide for yourself. See you in the next episode.